Hi everyone, and if you want to know how to search with subreddit, you've come to the right place. So first of all, you need to open your Reddit application and make sure that you log into Reddit. But it's not necessary for searching, but it's really and much more enjoyable to use Reddit when you have account. So after you open your Reddit, click on search icon in the top, and here you need to write a subreddit within what you need to search something. So for example, if I want to search some gaming content, I will write gaming in the search bar and open gaming community. And after that, you can see a search icon in the top right corner here. So just click on this search icon, and as you can see in the search bar, I have gaming subreddit. So now if I will write something here, the post will be only from this correct subreddit. Thank you for watching, leave a like and subscribe.